Well, here it is. The great blizzard of 2010. I've never seen anything like this, so I figured I probably won't see anything like this the rest of my life. I'm 40 years old. You can see that there's a good 30 inches of snow, wind-drifted snow on top of some of the vehicles. I live in a cul-de-sac, and because it is a circle, there's nowhere to put the snow. In order for me to get out, I gotta block my neighbor in. Everybody's throwing the snow on everybody else's part that they've already shoveled. I made it down this far yesterday, but I got stuck. First time since I've owned my 1996 4Runner that's ever been stuck. We haven't seen a plow up the hill yet. Supposed to be going to a Super Bowl party tonight. I don't think that's going to happen. Some of my neighbors have managed to dig out a trench so that they can walk down the hill, but they're not even close to getting their car out. I think everybody's waiting on a plow truck. I'm not sure when that's going to come. Trees are weighted down with snow. Branches are bent downwards. Houses have 20 inches of snow on top of them. Presumably we might do some melting today, but even though it's sunny, it's so cold that I don't think there'll be much melting, and that's probably a good thing, because there'd be some massive flooding. My neighbor's doing some shoveling, cleaning her car, but even if she gets her car cleaned, I don't know how she's going to get past all of this. People are passing by down on the main road, presumably because a plow has come past their house, but we've had no such luck.